How you doing, everybody? My name is DOCTORSAMMY BAYA. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. God's chosen ones never reveal these things to anyone. Grateful to God. That's the title of this video. The idea of being God's chosen ones is deeply rooted in various religious traditions, suggesting that certain individuals or groups have a special relationship with the divine. This notion often carries a weight of responsibility, purpose, and a unique calling. Being chosen can feel like a great honor, but it also brings responsibility. Those who believe they are chosen may feel compelled to act in ways that reflect their faith and values, setting a high standard for their behavior. In many spiritual beliefs, revelation is a sacred experience. It can involve insights, visions, or messages that one receives from God. This is often considered personal and should be approached with reverence and caution. For those who see themselves as chosen, there may be a belief that certain revelations should remain private. This discretion can protect the sanctity of the message and prevent misunderstandings or misinterpretations. Communicating profound spiritual experiences can be challenging. Misunderstanding can arise when others do not share the same belief system or level of understanding, leading to potential conflicts or doubt. By not revealing certain aspects of their faith or experiences, chosen individuals might feel they are protecting the sacred nature of their relationship with God. This can be seen as a form of respect for the divine. Gratitude is a powerful theme in many faith traditions. Those who feel chosen often express deep thankfulness to God for the experiences, recognizing that such gifts carry both joy and burden. Believers often share a sense of community with others who feel similarly chosen. However, this community can also lead to exclusivity, creating divides between those within and outside the group. Discernment is crucial for anyone who considers themselves chosen. This involves being able to differentiate between personal desires and divine guidance, ensuring that their actions align with their spiritual beliefs. There can be a fear of judgment from others if one reveals their spiritual experiences. This can lead to a tendency to keep certain insights private, fostering a sense of isolation. While discretion is important, sharing personal testimony can also be powerful. It can inspire others and create connections, but it must be done thoughtfully and respectfully. When discussing spiritual experiences, chosen individuals may face skepticism. Learning to navigate this can be challenging, but is often necessary for maintaining one's faith and purpose. Cultural attitudes towards spirituality and revelation can impact how chosen individuals share their experiences. In some cultures, openness is encouraged, while in others, discretion is valued. For many, the journey of being chosen is deeply personal and internal. It often involves introspection, prayer, and meditation, which are not easily communicated to others. While some aspects may remain private, the joy of connecting with God and the divine purpose can be shared in a way that brings hope and encouragement to others. Those who feel chosen might struggle with feelings of isolation, particularly if they cannot share their experiences. Finding safe spaces to express oneself can be vital for emotional health. Faith itself is often a deeply personal experience. While community is important, the internal struggle and growth of one's faith journey can be difficult to articulate. Rituals can serve as a bridge for expressing one's chosen status without revealing specific personal revelations. They offer a way to connect with God and the community without overexposure. Over time, the understanding of what it means to be chosen can evolve. Reflection and life experiences can lead to deeper insights and a more nuanced approach to faith. Each person's spiritual path is unique. Recognizing and respecting the individual journeys of others can foster a deeper appreciation for diversity within faith communities. Feeling chosen can lead to pride or superiority if not tempered with humility. It is crucial to remain grounded and recognize the grace involved in one's experiences. Humility is a key virtue in many faiths, recognizing that being chosen is not about personal merit but divine grace can help maintain a humble attitude. Choosing to keep certain revelations private can also reflect a desire to protect one's vulnerability. It's a delicate balance between openness and safeguarding one's heart. Prayer serves as a personal communication channel with God. For those who feel chosen, it can provide comfort and guidance, reinforcing their connection to the divine. Meditation can deepen understanding and clarity about one's chosen status. It allows for reflection and connection without the need for external validation. Finding the right balance between sharing experiences and maintaining privacy can be complex. It often requires thoughtful consideration of the impact on oneself and others. Faith is not static, it evolves. Understanding the dynamic nature of one's relationship with God is vital for those who feel chosen. Mentorship from those with similar experiences can be invaluable. It can provide guidance and insight into navigating the complexities of being chosen. Having a support system is essential for those who feel chosen. Sharing struggles and joys with trusted individuals can foster resilience and growth. Serving others is often seen as a reflection of being chosen. Engaging in acts of kindness can reinforce one's purpose and connection to the divine. For many, Scripture serves as a guide for understanding their chosen status. It provides a framework for navigating the complexities of faith and revelation. Misinterpretation of one's spiritual experiences can lead to confusion and doubt. Being cautious about sharing details can help mitigate this risk. Personal experiences shape one's understanding of being chosen. Each individual's journey is unique and deserves respect. Solitude can be a source of comfort and reflection for those who feel chosen. It allows for deeper contemplation without external distractions. Faith communities can provide support and validation. They can also present challenges, especially when differing interpretations arise. Doubt is a natural part of faith. Navigating this landscape while feeling chosen requires patience and self-compassion. Leadership roles within faith communities can amplify the sense of being chosen. It often involves guiding others while maintaining humility. Being chosen often comes with a call to action, serving others, spreading love, and living out one's faith in tangible ways. Accepting one's chosen status can be a journey filled with challenges and triumphs. It often requires a deepening of faith and understanding. Traditions can provide a sense of belonging and connection for those who feel chosen. They offer a historical context for understanding one's experiences. Regular reflection can help clarify one's purpose and deepen the understanding of being chosen, ensuring alignment with spiritual beliefs. Community worship can reinforce the sense of belonging and shared purpose among those who feel chosen, fostering a supportive environment. Striking a balance between personal spiritual experiences and communal beliefs is essential for maintaining harmony within faith communities. Spiritual growth is ongoing. Embracing the journey, including challenges, is part of what it means to be chosen. Forgiveness is a vital aspect of faith, especially for those who feel chosen. It allows for healing and strengthens community bonds. Finding purpose in one's experiences can be incredibly fulfilling. It reinforces the belief in being chosen and encourages others to seek their paths. Adversity can deepen one's understanding of being chosen. It often leads to growth, resilience, and a stronger connection to God. Practicing gratitude can transform one's outlook, fostering joy and appreciation for the journey of being chosen. Integrating faith into daily life can affirm one's chosen status. It involves living out values and principles consistently. Now, embracing the journey of being God's chosen ones, both individually and collectively, can lead to profound spiritual growth and a deeper connection with the divine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a lesson or two, a thing or two. Please like this video, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Share this video widely to all those who may need it, and also try to find time and watch 2 or 3 more videos in my YouTube channel, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this YouTube channel. Thank you. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. Let's build each other up. Let's grow together. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.